Hey, everybody. Thanks for being here. All right, let's get started. I'm Chris, founder and CEO at Dialect. We believe that blockchain is going to eat the internet and revolutionize how communities form online and create shared culture and languages. In January, we launched Dialect, an ambitious mobile-first take on Web3 messaging. Dialect is available today on iOS, Google Play, and most importantly, on the Solana mobile phone and the Solana dApp store, where we were the first app to ship and launch after Phantom and Solflare, the two major wallets. Since then, we've had hundreds of thousands of downloads and over 2 million messages sent. So what's Dialect? I'm pretty sure a lot of folks in this audience know what it is, but I'll just share a little bit. In Dialect, you can send and receive messages in DMs and group chats just like you can in the other major messaging platforms. But because it's built from the ground up with Web3, we can create entirely new experiences not possible in Web 2. One of those experiences is collectible chat stickers. They're animated, expressive art made by some of our favorite artists in the Solana ecosystem. But because they're NFTs, you can truly own and collect them. We built an explosively fun collector's experience around these chat stickers, right in Dialect, right on mobile. Artists launch collections of 10 to 20 stickers in foil packs, as you can see here. And every time you collect a foil pack, you can open it and roll the dice and see which ones you're going to get. Maybe you get some of the common ones, maybe you get lucky with a rare, or super lucky and find a mythic. The coolest part of this experience, though, like by far, is what you can do with them directly in chat. You can not only use them to express yourself, but with Dialect's messaging protocol, you can actually collect and trade them directly over DMs. You can find and message holders of the stickers that you want, barter and negotiate trades, or simply gift them to friends and other people that you know when you're feeling generous. All of this adds up to an insanely fun collector's experience, one that our users say is some of the most fun they've had in crypto, and if I'm being honest, like some of the coolest things that we've had since we were kids. These are like sports trading cards, Pokemon cards. I'm personally a fan of Magic the Gathering, and so many of our users have told us that this is the most fun they've had since playing those games as kids. This has kicked off a wave of interest across the ecosystem. We've been thrilled to see other projects and friends of ours across the ecosystem creating collectibles experiences like this one, and we see this as one of the killer next use cases for crypto and Web3 beyond open financial systems. Under the hood, the collecting experience that you've seen here and some of these unique first-of-their-kind messaging experiences are powered by what we call the smart message. Smart messages let you take action right from the message. They're like link previews with a button on them for instant, single-tap signing experiences. Send and receive tokens like USDC, Solana, Bonk, and other Magic Internet money. Collect and trade chat stickers like we showed before. You can actually also buy NFTs directly from Magic Eden just by sharing a link to the listing on Magic Eden. Smart messages literally bring Web3 into chat and create entirely new experiences not possible in Web 2. Smart messaging is also an open protocol and an extension of the Solana Pay protocol, which can deliver any Web3 action. Any developer can dream up any smart message and have it delivered right in Dialect. So for example, our friends at Tensor built our entire sticker trading system from the ground up. And when we execute a smart message, all it does is wrap on that like Solana Pay would and allow us to execute actions from chat that are truly happening in the Tensor protocol. Everything you do in Dialect is reflected on Tensor and vice versa. We launched the Smart Message protocol 1 year ago and presented on it at last year's Breakpoint conference. It's been incredible to see this technology come to life and partner with many of our closest friends across the ecosystem to create these new experiences both in and outside of Dialect. Smart messages, they represent the promise of Web3, composability, interoperability, and everything that's only possible in this new kind of internet. Since the first chat sticker mints this spring, over 100 artists have launched sticker collections with us, and our users have minted over 2 million of them. Not a single one of those users paid any transaction or infrastructure costs. This is because with Dialect's chat stickers, we use state compression and compressed NFTs, a technology that's unique to Solana, and I'm sure many of you have heard about at this conference this week. I'm going to say this again. Our users have paid $0 in infrastructure costs to mint millions of NFTs. Using Solana's state compression, we can cover 100% of the infrastructure costs for every single Dialect user to mint every single NFT. This has made it possible for us at Dialect to onboard non-crypto natives, people who have never signed up for Coinbase, have never installed a crypto wallet, never had to go through tedious KYC or fiat on-ramping, and we let them try their first taste of self-custody for the first time. This has been an incredible experience for us and one that I'm personally so proud of, as our users have told us stories when we talk to them about onboarding their parents, their cousins, their friends, and even sometimes their kids to Dialect. This is really an extraordinary breakthrough in blockchain technology, meaning compressed NFTs. And this is something built by Solana and used by the community, and it's been incredible to collaborate with them. I mean, I probably don't need to say this to all of you, but Solana is the most advanced blockchain in the world, and it lets us create experiences unlike anything else in Web3. And it's been an incredible journey for us. But the second half of this talk is something I'm excited to share with you guys. That journey is not over, and the job is not done. Today, I'm excited to share more about what we've been up to Dialect and where we're going next. Since day one, our mission at Dialect has been to elevate human expression on the internet. Launching collectible chat stickers has been an incredible step in that journey, letting you truly own your voice. But there's a deeper problem. The metaverse is already here. It's chat. Billions of people use messaging every day to connect with friends and loved ones. Chat is by far where you express yourself the most. But text is so reductive, and while that sometimes has its advantages, so much is lost from the conversation. At the same time, chat has these portals of expressive superpowers. Memes, GIFs, stickers, and emojis let you say more than you could, and in some really interesting ways, more than you could even say in real life. You literally have at your fingertips, like everything anybody has ever created, ready for you to use to express yourself. Only kind of not. The reason I say this is because memes are your community's shared language. And today, that language is largely inaccessible. Giphy and Tenor are too generic. Each community's best content is locked up in Discord or Telegram, buried in unsearchable Twitter feeds or Instagram feeds, or stashed away in desktop folders and like your phone's camera roll. It's also moving at the speed of light. This is brand new, and I can't wait to see what people do with it. As a result, the point I'm trying to get at here is while many of us know the language of our shared communities, few of us can actually speak it. And our goal at Dialect is to change that. So today, we're introducing what we call the meme holster. Be funnier, faster, everywhere. The meme holster holsters up your best memes and stickers and JPEGs from all of your favorite platforms and lets you use them everywhere fast. Pull in your Dialect stickers, your Telegram stickers, your Discord stickers and GIFs, access the best content from Giphy and Tenor, even image flip. And I think the one I'm most excited about here is you can pull in your gigabytes of memes and right-click saved JPEGs that you've been stashing on your computer since 2015. Your holster makes all of these memes, JPEGs, and GIFs available in an insanely fast experience on desktop and on mobile. On desktop, Dialect the Dialect meme holster is your spotlight search for memes. I want to get this right because I want you to see the workflow here. You can pull up the holster from anywhere with a single keystroke, no matter where you are, about to reply guy on Twitter or message your coworkers on Slack. And with this single keystroke, you can then search for a result in seconds and fire it off without ever leaving your keyboard. And you can really send these anywhere. Twitter, Telegram, Signal, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Messenger, and even in dialect. Since we introduced collectible chat stickers, our community has been begging us to make them usable elsewhere. We're excited to share that this is now going to be possible very soon, alongside all your other stickers, JPEGs, memes, and GIFs. And this is going to be possible on desktop and on mobile. One of the most important things that we heard as we've been talking to the community is that you might holster this stuff up on your desktop, but then when you're out and about, you want to be able to respond quickly to the things that you see online. So we're going to be launching Dialect's meme holster both on desktop and on mobile. On mobile, Dialect will ship with an installable keyboard that you can use in any app so that all of this content is at your fingertips all the time. I don't know how many of you in the audience have ever used an operating system keyboard before. This is like an untapped experience in mobile, whether you've used some of the other keyboards, Grammarly, and there's like a Microsoft keyboard. This is an incredibly cool way to get into the hands of your users and get to your content directly, no matter where you are, and we're super excited to share that with you. You'll also be able to edit memes on the fly, add custom text 10x faster than image flip with a ballistically fast keyboard native experience. I don't know how many of you have used image flip, but it's really annoying. And here you can see you can perform your search and you can customize the text all from the search bar, see all the results in front of you, and select and fire off the one that you love the most. We'll be introducing other kinds of lightning-fast editing to allow you to remix and play with your favorite memes across the internet, no matter where you are, no matter who you want to talk to. We've been working with dozens of our favorite funny people across the Solana ecosystem to develop this new product, and we've heard the same thing over and over and over. Speed is the soul of wit. And this is the problem that we're trying to solve with Dialect. So I'm thrilled to share that Dialect's meme holster is available today in a private beta. And we're accepting applications from Solana's funniest people to join our first cohort. Scan this QR code. Let me pull this up. Hold it up for a second. Scan this QR code to get in touch and show us your gigabytes of right-click save memes, or why you wish you could use your Dialect or Telegram stickers anywhere. We'll be giving out early access in the coming days. I'm going to give you a second. All right, and I'll pull that back up at the end in a sec. So let's take a step back. What does this have to do with Web3? Memes and stickers are the highest form of expression on the internet. They are the frontier of how we express ourselves. It is the lingua franca of Web3, and every year more and more communities are using this to express themselves and to create online communities. They are also the internet's most decentralized content. But today, that decentralization means JPEGs saved into millions of computers and across millions of camera rolls on phones throughout the world, which is impeding the meme's natural state of evolution. Done right, we believe that blockchain can 10x that evolution with collectability, community, remixing, personalization, provenance, and ownership. But this is where I think things get really interesting. We've been thrilled to support creators, but memes are like by the people, for the people. And we think ownership might not be just to individuals, but to the communities themselves to form and connect over their shared languages. Solana is the most advanced blockchain in the world, and that lets us push the boundaries and experiment with new kinds of technologies and experiences. At Dialect, we have been on that frontier since day one, launching millions of NFTs at zero infrastructure cost to our users. What we're excited to do next is create new kinds of internet experiences, ones that don't look like the previous, and that allow for communities to form, collect, and speak a shared language. And we at Dialect are excited to play a part in that. However, in the meantime, there's a real problem to solve here, and we're going to come and join you all and help keep the vibes immaculate and do it at light speed. Thank you.